Mountain biking has evolved from a small local activity in California in the 1970s into a popular sport and industry across North America and Europe. This case study examines the key developments in mountain biking, focusing on how the sport grew through user-driven innovation and its impact on economies, communities, and the environment. In North America, mountain biking has become a significant part of outdoor culture, boosting local economies and tourism, particularly in rural areas. Similarly, in Europe, the sport has flourished with countries like France and Switzerland become top destinations for mountain biking. This study explores the evolution of mountain bikes, the differences and similarities in how the sport has developed in both regions, and its broader effects on society and the environment. Understanding these factors will provide insights into the future of mountain biking and the potential for further innovation in the industry. So how the sport grew are three main points on how mountain bikes grew. Firstly, user-driven innovation. Enthusiasts in the 1970s modified existing bikes to handle rough terrains, leading to the creation of the first mountain bikes. This grassroots innovation was key to the sport's development. Next, we have commercialization and industry growth. Entrepreneurs recognized the potential of mountain biking, leading to the commercialization of specialized mountain bikes and the establishment of a new industry. Lastly, cultural adoption and expansion. The sport rapidly gained popularity, spreading from North America to Europe and becoming a significant part of outdoor culture with dedicated trails, events, and tourism emerging around it. Question 1. How did the innovation of mountain bikes illustrate the concept of user-driven innovation, and why is this significant for companies looking to implement new products? The innovation of mountain bikes is a classic example of user-driven innovation. In the 1970s, cyclists in California began modifying their road to handle rough off-road trails. These early riders, frustrated by the limitations of existing bikes, customized their bikes with stronger frames, wider tires, and better brakes. This DIY approach led to the creation of the first mountain bikes, driven entirely by the needs and creativity of the users themselves. There are three significance for companies to strive in innovation in mountain bikes. First one is identifying real customer needs. Mountain biking's growth shows how crucial it is for companies to listen to their customers. By paying attention to how users modify and interact with their mountain bikes, companies can uncover real unmet needs that drives innovation. Next, we have reducing market risk. Innovation that originate from users often came with built-in validation as they address genuine problems. This reduces the risk for companies when launching new products, as these innovations are more likely to succeed in the market. Last but not least is enhancing customer engagement. So engaging users in the innovation process can strengthen customers' loyalty and lead to more successful products. When customers see that their ideas and needs are being taken seriously, they are more likely to support and promote the brand.
So I will start to continue. First is how Marin Country shaped the maintained by the innovation. First is rugged terrain. Marin Country challenging their landscape was perfect for the testing and refining really mountain bike design. For example, you can use your environment as a testing ground for the product development. Second is community of the fan. Local cycling fan provide their feedback and assist their driving continuous innovation. For example, is engage with a passionate community to accelerate innovation. And third is culture of experimentation. Rider can modify their bike to improve performance leading to breakdown. For example, is encourage their culture experimentation within your team. Okay, the next question is what a company can learn from this. First thing first is company can take their advantage of the local difficult. Company can use their uniqueness, local challenges to inspire product innovation. Second is engage their community. Company can build their relationship with their early adopter for the valuable feedback. Third is use a local resource, which utilize nearby expertise and resources for the product development. And fourth, lastly, is align with a local culture. Ensure your product is honored with their local lifestyle and the value.
So the first point is repurposing existing frames. At the beginning of the mountain biking, when Joe Breeze and Gary Fisher took challenges like not available suitable frames for cycling off-road, they replaced existing road and crucial bike with them and changed their form for this purpose. These bikes were actually made for smooth roads, so they were never meant to face harsh climatic conditions like dirty track, step slope, or even gravel path. So the initiator managed to make the frame tough either by putting more materials or by changing the geometry to make them more lasting and of course steady. The second point is concept of innovation. When they developed the first bike, the first mountain bikers went even beyond the principle of traditional biking, and they saw straight that ordinary bike components like brake, shifter, and wheel were too weak. and could not satisfy their off-road cycling needs. So out of urgency, they started producing new parts and they overcome this by altering and boosting brake system with the help of motorcycle brake levers for a more effective braking mechanism during their downhill cruising. They also took the initiative in terms of the gear work and developed the gear system to handle the uphill terrain, as well as manufacturing tough tire that could endure bumpy and uneven terrain. And my last point of the scarcity is the collaboration and knowledge sharing that also can help in terms of creativity and resourcefulness of the initial. So in the mountain biking, begin in that early community that could only be described as the pioneers who come through the way of collaboration and idea sharing. Although the team was small and very close, it consisted mostly of the guys who had to deal with the same problems and dream. So when an individual identified a unique solution, such as replacing a brake levers or adding a fork to a bike, they discussed those ideas among the group members, and others could also work on them. Depending on everyone's participation, the method of finding a solution was quicker, since the people were also were all the time involving their minds doing different tasks simultaneously. It was in the mountain bike era that we learned that constraint not only render an impact on driving creativity but also play a powerful role in the same. As a first step, limiting factor challenged people to be inventive and to come up with solutions to which they are not used to. In the beginning, there was a deficiency of the proper frame for a bike, so they started to use the existing material into other ways and even created new ones, this causing brand new product to become a reality. And furthermore, constraint often lead to collaboration and resource sharing, as was the case with the mountain biking community. Overcoming the same or similar obstacle, the inventor come together and exchange their thought, and thus this process of creating the model flew much faster, leading to better solution.
Discretion from the modifications and custom preferences by users were leading the creation of modern mountain bike. So firstly is creation of a cottage industry. As interest in mountain biking grew, small-scale assembler began to create a cottage industry around the making of modern mountain bikes. This assembler filled the unique requirement of mountain biking and were able to produce bike that catered to the needs. This small-scale assembler acknowledged the market demands compared to the larger manufacturer. Second, feedback for improvement. Enthusiasts provided value feedback to small-scale assembler regarding performance, durability, and design features. This direct line of communication allows for rapid iteration and improvement in bike components and design, ensuring that products evolve in line with expectation and experiences. And lastly, mass production transition. This innovation developed by enthusiasts and small-scale assembler have caught the attention of larger manufacturers. This collaboration laid the groundwork for the transition to mass production that adopts successful design and technologies by the community. A modern company can foster similar collaborative environment by doing a community engagement. By establishing a community engagement around can enhance several customer loyalty. Companies could sponsor local riding clubs or off-road racing, organizing events, or create online group where enthusiasts can be connected. Next, local makers partnership. Partnering with small-scale assembler or local makers can establish more idea of innovation. These collaborations can lead to unique products that resonate with corner markets and reflect the preference of local communities. And lastly, users' participations. Some companies can create a platform for users to share their experiences or preference, performing ideas or modifications. This could be through social media or events where users can showcase their customization.
We go to the first one, which is they produce bikes in the large quantities and at a lower cost. We can see that Specialized, they produce a lot of products, but they sell to the consumers in the lower cost. We can see that a lot of customers they involved in the mountain bike scene, so they are capable to buy this product. So we go to the second one, which is they always standardize qualities and design improvement. You can see that they always keep the standard in the high quality. So the customer always satisfied with their product. And the third one, which is they always do a transformation. They always follow the trend, like what mountain bikes need in their bicycles. And what lesson can be drawn about Australian integration of a specialization? So we go to the first one, which is they always understand their market needs and preference. Like they always do a transformation in the technologies. So they always want to meet their market needs and preference. So we go to the second one, which is they always prioritize quality and performance. Like they always keep the standard of quality into the top level and design improvement. So the customers always can use their bicycle to due to the high performance and always comfortable to using their product. So we go to the third point, which is the leverage technology and expertise. Like Specialized always do a collaboration with the technology expert to expand their technology knowledge into the mountain bikes market. So we go to the last one, it is they always adapt production and scaling. They always use bike in the less quantities and at lower cost. And at the same time, they always produce premium bikes, but in the expensive cost. Like they always want the bicycle look like a premium.
The sustained growth of the mountain bike market can be largely attributed to the continuous development of bike components by companies like Shimano. And this growth is a prime example of the power of incremental innovation, which involves making gradual yet impactful improvements over time to keep products relevant and customer engaged. And one of the key ways this continuous development has full market growth is through the enhancement of critical bike components like derailleurs, brakes, and also gears. And these improvements have significantly increased the efficiency, dependability, and also overall user friendliness of mountain bikes. And yeah, I think another important factor is the ability for riders to customize and personalize their bikes. Whether someone is into professional racing, casual trail riding, or urban commuting, this can tailor their bike to suit their specific needs. And this customization has not only enhanced customer satisfaction but also fostered strong brand loyalty when riders can truly make a bike their own, and they are more likely to stick with the brands they trust, which further propels the market forward. And moreover, the continuous introductions of the new products and technological advancement keeps the industry vibrant and also competitive. As companies like Shimano innovate, customers are encouraged to upgrade their existing bikes or purchase new ones, which will contributing to ongoing market growth. This strategy, I think, also benefits to the entire industries because incremental innovation sets the new standards, pushing competitors to keep up with the improvements, and which in turn raises the overall quality and performance of products across the market. And this not only enhances the consumer's experience but also drives the entire market forward while ensuring that it remains dynamic and also competitive.
My suggestion to improve in motorbike industry is integration of smart technology. Integrating smart technologies such as GPS tracking, real-time performance monitoring, and connectivity features can enhance the user riding experience and provide valuable data for training and performance analysis. With this improvement, it would make the mountain biking more engaging for both recreational and competitive riders. Additionally, advancement in material can lead to the development of lighter, stronger, and more durable frames. Applying carbon fiber composite and exploring different materials like graphene can reduce weight without compromising strength, making mountain bikes more efficient and enjoyable to ride. Next, customization and personalization. Customization and personalization has become a central point of the bicycle industry, with manufacturers increasingly using ergonomic material and production process. This aligns with broader efforts to reduce carbon emissions and promote cycling as a sustainable mode of transportation. With the supportive technology like 3D printing, it allows riders to tailor their bikes to specific needs and preferences that create a unique selling proposition. This movement develops the consumer experience and fosters a deeper connection between the bikers and the riders. And lastly, sustainability. Manufacturers can focus on reducing their environmental footprint by using recycled material and implementing eco-friendly production process. Developing bikes with components that are easily recyclable or biodegradable can significantly reduce waste. With the production of e-motorbikes or e-MTBs, it has become the new evolution of motorbike legacy.
Mountain biking has grown significantly since the 1970s, evolving from a specialized activity into a popular short and important part of outdoor recreation in North America and Europe. Growth has had a substantial economic impact, boosting manufacturing, retail, and tourism. In North America, the rise of new bike models and dedicated trails has fostered a strong community of enthusiasts. Similarly, in Europe, mountain biking has become integral to local cultures and tourism, supported by extensive trails and events. And looking forward, the sport is expected to continue evolving with advancement in technology like electric bikes while addressing environmental and accessibility concerns. Mountain biking's adaptability will be key to its ongoing success and influence.